Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome to our natural studio. So in this video, it's very good news for you. Good news for you because you are very hesitation. You are feeling hesitation for learning English. You are very upset because you can't speak English and you are trying to learn English but you can't speak English. You are feeling the upsetness. You are feeling the hesitation. How I will learn English? How can I learn English? Is it possible? Can I learn English fluently without thinking? Is it possible? Every time you are thinking that, right? So in this video, I would like to talk about that, how to you can speak English fluently. Okay, and I will give you some stick. I will give you some message, and I will tell you what is the most important rule for speaking English. What is the secret rule for speaking English? Today is rule number 2. Okay, let's start. So what is rule number 2? Rule number 2 is never study grammar rule. You are thinking that you are feeling that, oh whoa, I don't have to learn grammar rule. I'm free, I'm totally free. So think about that. And you are feeling you are lying. Without grammar rule, how can I speak English? It's impossible, right? So I will ask you a question. You are learning grammar from so many years, year to year, you are learning grammar rule from your childhood. But did it work? Can you speak English fluently with grammar rule? Can you make a single sentence with grammar rule? You can't do that, right? So how you can speak English with grammar rule? And it's possible just for writing some sentence, and because when you write something you have to think a lot and you have long time for writing. But when you speak English, you don't have the time. Immediately you have to make sentence. Immediately you should make sentence. So grammatical rules for speaking is not allowed. So you have to make sentence without thinking when you will speak, while speaking, right? So while speaking, you don't need to memorize grammatical rule. Try to memorize all the time phrases. I told you in this previous video how to make sentence with phrases, right? So try to learn phrases all the time, because foreigner all the time learn phrases. They don't learn grammatical rules. All the time they learn phrases and they change the phrases. I started to make sentence with grammatical rule all the time, but I forget. I can't remember because it's impossible using grammatical rule to make sentence immediately. On the other hand, when I started to learn phrases and use these phrases, I made the sentence. So it was easy for me and easily I made the sentence. So good news for you. Drop it your grammar rules. Forget your grammar rules. Never memorize grammatical rules all the time because it doesn't work. You are watching, it doesn't work. You are feeling it doesn't work. You can't speak English with the grammar rule, right? So go grab your grammatical books, go grab your textbook and brand them and throw them. It doesn't work. No need to your grammar book. And finally, try to memorize phrases. Try to practice with the phrases. And one of the most important thing, try to listen every day, at least 3 hours per day. 3 hours per day, every day. And never forget to listen English 3 hours per day. If you do that, you can speak English 100%. It will work. And you can speak English with confidence. And immediately, English will come out from your mouth. Okay, so my dear viewers, I think this video was very, very informational and very, very helpful. And if you find this is very helpful and very important video, so never forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends and leave a comment in comment box. I will see you with a new video, another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.